I had people in my life who thought I lost my mind for not going to college. I was a very typical straight A honors student. The logical next step would have been for me to go to college. So people were shocked that I didn't. It doesn't matter if other people don't understand your dream. The self-confidence and the grit that you learn in building a business, you can trust yourself to make the best choice for yourself. My name is Sarah King, and my Mary Kay just fits. I grew up in Valparaiso, Indiana, about an hour outside of Chicago. I decided to start Mary Kay because I was really looking for something where I could have a lot of freedom and flexibility, and I knew I wanted something where I could also work remote. So I work my Mary Kay business exclusively online. And I'm so excited to talk to you guys today about one of our most famous and beloved products. It is the Mary Kay microdermabrasion set. I'm a homebody, but I also love to have fun, and I like to go on adventures and travel. I wanted that flexibility to determine what every day was gonna look like, and some days it's full glam and some days it's, comfy leggings, and I love that about my business. I think a common misconception that people have about Mary Kay is that you have to be the glam girl influencer to work online, and let me tell you, that could not be further from the truth. I can be chatty and I love getting to meet new people, but also my idea of a good time is a quiet corner with a book. I love that this allows me to still be myself and I don't have to be glam every day. And I think honestly working virtually gives me the opportunity to be all natural and maybe just have skincare for the day, because who's seeing me, right? I live in a semi-rural area and there's people, but not like a ton of people, And so I love that I can connect with people all over the United States. I have customers in Alaska and I have customers in the South. It doesn't matter where you are, you and I are still connecting really just the same as I would as somebody that lived down the street from me. One of my recent team members actually found me on my Mary Kay personal website, which was so cool. We're going to go over to Evelyn Elliott and she's gonna share some good news from the week, so thank you to all of you who shared the things that were going on in your businesses. We set up a Zoom call, I got to know her, she got to know me, we tried some products virtually, and at the end she said, "This is great, I wanna give it a try." I so believe that your 20s, although they're the time to be young and fun, it's also the time to build. Whatever season of life you're in, whether you're young like me, or you're a stay-at-home mom, or you're a high-powered career woman looking for something different and fun to try, with Mary Kay, it just fits.